Today, this is our expose on door security IR sensor system. For this purpose, here we utilize a 9-volt battery, a buzzer, LED and the special IR sensor. Here, three input terminals are V positive, ground and V negative. V positive output is connected to LED positive and LED buzzer, and negative is connected to LED negative and LED buzzer, and it is same for the power supply. When power is on, here we see both buzzer and LED is on, and when the obstacle comes to the receiving section, then off. It is possible for the IR sensing. Thank you.